Luxury in 2026 isn't just about what dazzles you on day one. It's about what still feels special years later, when the warranty clock has stopped ticking and the car proves whether it was truly engineered to last. These are the machines that don't fall apart when the safety net disappears. They age with confidence, presence, and mechanical dignity. This is where real luxury begins. The Lexus RX sets the tone immediately. Sculpted surfaces meet razor-sharp LED lighting, and beneath that calm exterior lives engineering built to survive years of abuse without complaint. Naturally aspirated and hybrid powertrains focus on smooth delivery rather than fragile theatrics. The cabin feels serene even after long ownership, with materials that resist wear and electronics that simply keep working. It's luxury that doesn't punish loyalty. The Lexus S follow the same philosophy, but with sharper edges. Low, elegant silhouettes hide powertrains designed for endurance. The S glides on refined suspension tuned for real roads, while the S adds rear-wheel drive balance and athletic precision. Both prove that reliability doesn't have to look boring, and comfort doesn't have to feel dated. Then comes the Lexus GX, a luxury SUV with old-school toughness baked into its bones. Body-on-frame construction, proven V8 heritage, and serious off-road capability wrapped in premium leather and modern tech. Years after warranty, this is the kind of vehicle that still feels unstoppable, not fragile. BMW enters with the 5 Series, a masterclass in balance. Turbocharged engines deliver power smoothly without drama, adaptive suspension reads the road like a mind reader, and the chassis remains composed even after high mileage. The design is timeless, the cabin still feels premium years later, and the driving experience refuses to age. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class answers back with effortless authority. Every door close feels engineered, every surface deliberate. The ride quality remains magic long after the warranty fades, and the powertrains are tuned for longevity rather than excess stress. This is executive luxury that doesn't crumble under time. Then there's the S-Class, the benchmark that rewrites the rules. Yes, it's complex. Yes, it's expensive. But when maintained properly, it remains unmatched. Air suspension still floats, interiors still whisper luxury, and the road presence never fades. Even years later, it feels like tomorrow arrived early. Porsche changes the conversation entirely. The 911 is proof that performance doesn't have to mean fragility. Flat 6 engines built for endurance, transmissions designed for abuse, and chassis tuning so precise it feels alive. Long after warranty, a 911 still delivers thrill without fear, and its value refuses to collapse. The Porsche Panamera takes that DNA and stretches it into a luxury sedan. Massive power, incredible handling, and interiors that feel handcrafted rather than assembled. Even years later, it drives like a sports car pretending to be a limousine. Volvo's XC90 brings Scandinavian intelligence into the mix. Clean design, unmatched safety tech, and powertrains designed for efficiency and durability. The interior ages gracefully, the structure feels rock solid, and ownership remains calm instead of stressful. Audi's A6 delivers quiet confidence. Quattro all-wheel drive still grips with authority, turbo engines remain refined, and the cabin materials feel premium even after years of use. It's a car that doesn't beg for attention but earns respect over time. Acura's MDX proves that performance-oriented luxury can also be dependable. Honda engineering ensures longevity, while sharp handling and bold styling keep it feeling fresh. After warranty, it remains one of the least stressful luxury SUVs to own. Finally, the BMW 7 Series and i7 represent the future aging gracefully. Whether combustion or electric, these flagships are built to impress for the long haul. Massive screens, lounge-like rear seating, and engineering designed for endurance make them feel relevant long after newer models arrive. These cars share one truth: real luxury doesn't panic when the warranty ends. It doesn't rattle, glitch, or beg for mercy. It continues to deliver presence, performance, and pride. In 2026, these are the luxury cars that prove ownership doesn't end with paperwork, it begins there.